Hello everyone, my name is Prashant and you are watching Science U Clips. What is the meaning of this word I will explain in some other video. In this video I am going to tell you that how do I make digital notes on computer. This is happening after realizing the gravity of the peer pressure that I received in my class group that I should make the way I make notes public in the general service of all the students and educators. So here in this video I am going to tell you that how do I make digital notes which contain very beautiful diagrams and all the formulae and equations which actually align with the text that you type in. There is one thing to remember about short notes, that these are very brief documents which contain a lots of information which might be in abbreviated form and short forms, and even the diagrams are very much complex because you want to put a lot of information into very small space, so you do not have a liberty of putting multiple diagrams to explain a single topic. Therefore, to exploit maximum out of the short notes you must have attended the class, otherwise these are not gonna make any sense. Alright, so basically you need three software to do this, and in the brief time I'm going to tell you what are these three software that you need. Number one, a text editor in which you can type in theory, you can put in diagrams and equations. The second software that you need should be able to type mathematical notations, equations and symbols as well. The third software that you need should be at least able to draw two-dimensional drawings. As my choice of text editor, I use Microsoft Word over any PDF software because I can use plugins with Microsoft Word which will help me to speed up the process. Also, I can make illustrations and flowcharts in it. As a math equation editor, I use MathType. In this software, I can edit all sorts of mathematical notations like integral signs, matrices, Greek and Latin words like lambda, phi, psi, delta. So MathType gives you a liberty to type linear and non-linear differential equations as well. It gives you liberty to type linear algebraic equations that you can directly insert into your text editor. As a drawing software, I use Serif Draw. This is very light software, so it doesn't occupy much space on your RAM and it doesn't occupy much space on your hard drive as well. You can make two-dimensional drawings and even the isometric views of certain geometries very easily on this. With a little bit of practice, you can master Serif Draw maybe in 1 month. Once we have installed all the three software, now we are going to tweak Microsoft Word a little bit so we can open MathType again and again with a single command. You will understand in a minute what I am saying. Now go to the File tab and click on Options. Now a pop-up window should open. Switch to Customize ribbon. On the left hand side from the popular commands, choose Macro. Here all those commands are listed that can be assigned to shortcuts. Now click on Customize and from the drop down menu look for macros and click on it. On the right hand side look for empty command - insert line equation. I have already assigned a shortcut key for it, but you can assign a shortcut key of your choice from the new shortcut key option. Once you have assigned the shortcut key, close the ribbon, and now you are ready to go and type mathematical equations into your text editor. For example, my shortcut key is Ctrl space, so when I press Ctrl space, a MathType window should open. And now I can type the mathematical equation I want to type and I can press Ctrl S to save. As soon as I will close the MathType, my equation will appear on the text editor. Once you have tweaked your Microsoft Word or you don't want to tweak your Microsoft Word, alternatively what you can do, you can use MathType directly from the startup menu. How can you do this? For example, take I have to solve a quadratic equation. I can type the equation x square plus 3x plus 2 equals to 0, and now I will solve it by factors. Once the equation is solved, I want to align these equations at equal sign, so I will select them all by Ctrl A command and go to Format and Align at Equals. Now hit Ctrl A to copy and go to your document, hit Ctrl V command to paste equations into your document. In this way you can paste equations from MathType into your document. Now we will make some changes into our page settings so that we can efficiently use the space available to us. Go to layout and select A4 sheet from size and make changes on left hand side and right hand side from the ruler, and repeat the same for header and footer as well. Now we have everything to make notes. We can go to home tab and change the font style to Times New Roman and font size to 12. Now give your notes a title. After title, type a delimiter. To type a delimiter, give a blank space line and type hyphen 3 times and hit enter. A horizontal line should appear. This line is called delimiter. Now go to insert and insert a table of 1 row and 2 columns. The table will expand as we will use it, and type content. From now on, you will be watching my screen at increased speed. Note how I make diagrams and equations, how I type definitions. In the similar way, you can make your own notes. In addition, for a little bit of editing, we will be using Microsoft Paint as well. So take note where I am using Microsoft Paint. Once you are done, you can save your file as PDF for reading later or getting printouts. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any suggestions or you want any assistance, please type in the comment box and I will try to respond as soon as possible. Give the video a like if you find it helpful. Subscribe if you loved it and share with your friends and colleagues, and I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.